Two break-even trades today. Let's review them. Welcome back. Today I only had two trades, break-even. I wanted to be a bit conservative. I didn't want to be more aggressive because I knew we were so close to demand areas and the market was overly sold, and I did want to act a bit conservative in that sense. So I just took two trades. Let's review them. The first trade was a long trade. It was a tradable reaction. This was the low created on the market open. Remember, we had a news event at 10. I was planning to take this trade right before the news, so we can. I was thinking probably price will be taken to supply for the news, but the market was extremely weak in the morning. So I entered up here. This is the area that I was looking at, and it moved 1-to-1. It retraced to take me out of break even. I would say the tick chart is showing some positive sign, not the ADQD. The ADQD was on the negative side, but certainly was not breaking this low. So that was my assessment right there. The tick chart, it was too early to call. It was 950 something, but regardless, it was not creating new lows right at the time that I was entering the trade. My second trade is a pullback continuation, and sadly I was taking out break even. It was a pretty nice trade. Now, pullback continuation rules account for risking the entire area, even if the price moves 1-to-1. Now, I do have that personal rule that I like to move the stop because I like to protect my profits. But regardless, I got stopped out here. It's a bit frustrating, but I know I can do it tomorrow, so I don't need to rush. Now, when it started to come back down, all the internals were very negative, but we were in demand, so I didn't want to short into demand. So yeah, we were taking out here, break even. We put the trade here, confirmation, taking out break even, and then it moved to the downside. This is the key formula that I have with the tick chart. Creates a high. It doesn't violate the high at the time of the fill, creating new highs in the NQ. That's where I put my trade, right? It was a break-even first day of the month. Now I did put some negative points on this trade, like I moved the stop too quickly. Yeah, I was 1-to-1 so fast. In a matter of seconds, I was 1-to-1, and volatility is going up. So the lesson here is, all right, volatility is going up. You need to be careful with price movement, right? 10 points right now might be too little of a zone or a fluctuation. ATR is going up because when the market goes down, it usually does it in a very, very aggressive fashion, right? Well, that's it. Let's do it tomorrow. Please join me 8:45 for the pre-market analysis, and then we will do the live trading session at 9:25. Thank you.